Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying you're on Windows 11 Pro and noting the build. This matters because some methods depend on build differences. Once confirmed, create a system restore point and export the registry so you can revert changes if needed. Now open Registry Editor as administrator. You need elevated access. Navigate directly to the key path we'll edit so you're ready to change values. Doing these steps first reduces risk and ensures you can undo changes if anything goes wrong. With Registry open, go to HKey Current User /Control Panel /Desktop and find Paint Desktop version. Changing it stops the build watermark from drawing. Double-click and set the value to 0, then save. This is the core change. Next, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in to see the effect immediately because Explorer caches the overlay. Make sure other overlay modifying tools aren't forcing the watermark back. If they are, disable those utilities first so the registry change remains effective. Finalize by restarting Explorer or rebooting to ensure the watermark is gone. This forces Windows to reload UI settings. If the watermark persists, return to the registry key and confirm Paint Desktop version is still 0. Security or third-party apps can revert it. If you changed other keys, undo them or import your exported registry backup. As a last resort, use the system restore point you created earlier. It returns the machine to the exact state before edits, preventing prolonged disruption or misconfiguration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.